Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to teach you how to do a spin jump. Just kidding. I am going to give you 7 steps that if you use in your daily life, you will come across as a more nice, a more genuine person to the people you meet for the first time. Now some of you might think that, okay, why do I need to impress people? If I am happy in myself, what others think of me doesn't matter. Yes, you are kind of right. If you are really happy in yourself, what others think about you really doesn't matter. But why wouldn't you want to come off as a nice person? Would you rather come off as a jerk just because you didn't know what all you needed to do? For me, I know I'm a nice person, so I would rather do the things that would help people perceive me as a nice person. I genuinely had this issue whenever I used to go out with my friends. There were various situations where I had to meet new people and I did not know what to do. I did not know what to come off as a good person, as a genuine person. I knew I was good at heart, but I did not know how to convey that message. So in today's video, I'll help you with that. So let's go into the 7 steps that I use and I believe will help you in the long run. Number 1, maintain eye contact. What we normally do is when we meet someone, we are not able to hold the gaze. We immediately look down. You should not do that. You should maintain the gaze with them in a friendly way. And if at all you break their gaze, make sure it is sideways and not downwards. Maintaining eye contact signals confidence. It sends the message that you are a confident person and you do not shy away from maintaining eye contact. Number 2, give a genuine smile. The thing is, when you're meeting someone for the first time, you should not stare them down like this. You should maintain your eye contact with a genuine smile. Think about something that makes you happy. Think about your pet, your mom, your dad, your girlfriend, or anything that makes you happy and give them a genuine smile, just like this. Because when you give them a genuine smile, they immediately think that you are a very nice person, a very friendly and warm person. Number 3, be the person to initiate a handshake. Yes guys, after you maintain the eye contact, give a genuine smile, boom, go in and initiate the handshake. Whether it's a guy or a girl, I want you to go in and initiate the handshake. Even ladies are going to give you a handshake back and they are not going to shy away. Number 4, now this requires a bit more courage. Immediately after the handshake, I want you to give them a big hug. Yes, a hug. People love being hugged, especially if it's a guy, and even if you are meeting him for the first time, you need to give him a hug. And make sure when you are giving the hug, it's a very warm hug and it's not a half-hearted hug like you are going sideways and hugging him. Make sure your full body is in contact with the other person. Now, when it comes to ladies, it depends on the culture. In some cultures, women are not comfortable with men hugging them. What I recommend is that if you belong to such a culture, you stop with the handshake or maybe even go for the fist bump. This is your hand, this is the other person's hand, boom, that's a fist bump. Number 5, don't steal people's thunder. This one step, if you are able to incorporate in your social interactions, it will set you apart from the rest of the men. What do I mean by not stealing people's thunder? Let me give you an example. Once me and my friends were standing in a group and one of the guys, I think it was Rahul, he talked to the group and he was like, dude, did you see the latest movie which released? I loved it so much that I watched it for 2 times. And then I was like, damn man, I watched it 5 times already. That, my friends, is what you call stealing people's thunder. My friend Rahul was talking to all of us thinking that he had done something great, and there I was telling him that was not something great and I had done something much better. You never do that. You allow people to have the limelight. What I should have done there was, dude, you watched it for 2 times? Tell me, what was there in the movie that made you watch it for 2 times? Tell me more. That is what I should have really done. Because in the long run, believe me, when you don't do that, you will feel quite contented that you are happy that you do not steal people's thunder even when you can, and people will like you for it, because mostly people will come to know what you have done and then they will think, okay, Vaishak was humble enough to not steal the limelight and not let others know that he has done something much better than me. Number 6, give genuine compliments. This is something that we need to do more often. Now the other day I was having a meetup with a lot of new people, and there was this one particular lady whom I met and she came across as a nice person, and I actually felt like she looked like an actress in Indian movies, And I went up to her and told her, ma'am, you know there's this Indian actress who is very beautiful and you look exactly like her. After that, there was a glow on her face. I was quite happy to see her happy. Now, what did I gain from that? Actually, I did not do it to gain anything. I felt that genuinely she looked like someone and I gave her that compliment. And I'm sure it made her day, and more than that, it made my day also. Need to start giving more compliments. Find something that you like in people around you and make sure you tell them that. Make sure that you find something that you like and then only you give the compliment. Just don't give compliments for the sake of it. And I'm quite sure in every person you meet, you are going to find something in them that you are going to like and you are able to compliment them on that. Number 7. Be on time. Yes, this is something that I learned from my dad. It is better to be an hour early than a minute late. This is one of the building blocks, kind of like the basement, which makes you come across as a genuine person, which holds a great first impression on the people you meet. I always used to observe my dad, whether it was going to the movies, to the airport, to his office, wherever it is. He used to take into consideration the traffic, whether he would get a flat tire, and would leave accordingly so that he would reach the destination at least 15 to 20 minutes early. This has earned him a reputation of being a very dependable person, a very nice person. And from a young age, I have been also able to do that, but let me be clear, due to some peer pressure, my standards are quite lower than my dad's. Being on time is very essential, because when you are on time, people will know that not only do you value your own time, but you value their time as well, because time is the only commodity that we cannot ever get back. I'm quite sure that most of us has come up with this situation that we have reached early, and then the friends we were waiting for reached like half an hour to 1 hour late, and then we are like, okay, next time I will show him, I will be an hour late. This keeps on going, and then we earn the reputation of being a person who is not on time. I urge you, be on time, be early, because once you are constant with that, people will see that you value your time and that you keep your word, and then they too will start reaching on time. A person who reaches on time is considered to be very respectable, very dependable, and someone who keeps his word. So that's it for today's video. So a bit of a recap: when you meet someone for the first time, you maintain eye contact, you give them a genuine smile, initiate the handshake, and boom, a big hug, and add to it a compliment. I hope you guys liked it. So the usual things, do subscribe to my channel, do give me a like, as when you like these videos, YouTube starts recommending it more to more people and it gets the word around. So do check out my other videos on mental health, where I talk about psychiatry, medications, antidepressants, and so on, because I believe that will be highly informative to you guys who are going through a struggle, going through some kind of sadness or some kind of life issues. So do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the ting 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 bell icon so that you get my videos immediately when I put them out. So until next time, have a great day. I love you guys and you are awesome. Bye.